Today's video is a special one for me. My granddaughter was turning 7 years old. I was peeking at her birthday wish list. Number 4 had a jewelry box. And I said, Chloe, why do you want a jewelry box? And she said, because you have one and I want a blue one. Boy, she's not picky. Yes, I want a blue with flowers. Lord help me, where am I gonna find a blue one with flowers? I have one and I know she loves it, so I thought I'm gonna paint it her favorite color. I'm gonna put flowers on it in this video. She admires this jewelry box that I've had for many, many years, and I'm gonna give it to her for her birthday. She absolutely loves it. I know that for a fact. It has this part here for necklaces and here for rings. On this side, same thing. It has some drawers, little hearts. The shape in here is a heart, and also the little handles is almost like a heart. So let's get started. This has a glass here and it's held. It's got a little flower there, it's cute, but as I'm looking inside, it's really just a tape. So rather than be super careful with that, I'm just going to remove the glass here. I removed the glass and the glass panel here, and I've got this. This is just gonna make it easier for me to sand. So we're gonna sand it just with a very, very light, because I really just wanna scruff it up. Okay, my mistakes are your gain. So my hands were kind of dirty from sanding it, and I accidentally touched this, and of course it got dirty. I'm gonna clean it out after, I'm not worried. This was so easy that I should have done it in the first place. Shame on me that I didn't think about this earlier. But you live and learn. There you go. Now it's all wrapped up and I can go ahead and sand that. All the felt, or that soft felt inside, I've taped it all to protect it when I'm sanding. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Grace. In this channel, I DIY just about everything. I love rescuing furniture and turning it into something very beautiful and sometimes way out there. But I do have a focus on Mackenzie Childs inspired because I'm obsessed. That's plain and simple. I'm obsessed. If you're enjoying this video and other videos of mine and you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload.
I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh, my heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So long when you go and I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about.
I'm gonna put a few little checks, not a lot, but I don't wanna go with black and I don't want it to be a little bit like dark for her. This is for, you know, for a child. So I'm gonna go in and just put a little bit, I have this green and there's green here, and I'm just gonna put a little or a few checks in here. And I'm gonna go in with a very small brush. This is the Zen Z73CB, which is really just a very, very fine or a very small brush.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive.
If you watched my brush video, you'll see that it's so good to have these size of brushes for all these dainty little things.
With the wind blowing in your hair, we can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright.
Oh my God. Wow. All the flowers on it. Wow, and it opens up. It says, so the back says, happy 7th birthday, Chloe. Always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you feel, smarter than you think, loved more than you know. Always shine bright like a diamond that you are. Love always, Volvo and Pop Pop. Oh, that's so pretty. See that?
My birthday's coming up in July and I'm aiming to get 5,000 subscribers, and I can't do that for myself. You can do that for me. I don't want you to subscribe if you're not enjoying my content, but if you are, I would ask that you consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button and the bell to make sure that you're notified when I upload. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. So be kind. Always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when and never ever I wish I did. We'll see you next time.